Morning students. Students, in the previous class we were studying verb and its kinds. So till now we have studied four kinds of verb, है ना? Four kinds. First is action, then second to be verb, third to have verb, and fourth is helping verb. ठीक है? Now today I am going to teach you the next fifth one. Next one is next kind of verb is your main verb. Okay, so today I am going to teach you the main verb. So open your language books to lesson 12, that is verb. Page number 38. Main verb. Main verb. Main verb expresses the main action or state of being of the subject in the sentence. It changes its form according to the subject. These are your subjects: doctor, dogs, I, soldiers. These are the subjects in the sentence, and main verb changes its form according to the subject. Okay, and main verb expresses the main action. Doctor treats patient. Dog usually bark at night. I am playing badminton. Soldiers are fighting the enemy. These are your main verb: treat, bark, playing, fighting. These are the main verb. Main action doing by the subject. Now come to the exercises. In the following sentences, underline the helping verbs and encircle the main verbs. Here you have to underline the helping verbs and encircle the main verbs. Helping verbs in the last turn, on the last turn I explained you the helping verbs now. Helping verbs are is, has, do, will, can, must. These are your helping verbs. So in these sentences, first of all, we underline the helping verbs. Vishnu is your helping verb, है ना? Urvashi has helping verb, underline it. I can is your helping verb. People are working to become successful, are is your helping verb. So in the following sentences, underline the helping verbs. Is, has, can, are your helping verbs. Now here the next, encircle the main verbs. And now you have to circle the main verbs. Main verbs, main action done by the subject. Vishnu is carrying. Carrying is your main verb, main action. Urvashi has learnt. I can listen to you very clearly. Listen. People are working hard to become successful. So carrying, learned, listen, and working are your main verbs. Understood? Students, this main verb exercise, you have to do it in your classwork copies. Okay? You have to underline the verbs, underline the helping verbs, and encircle the main verbs. Okay, write the sentence with the blue pen and then underline and encircle with the black pen. Okay, students, come to the visible verb. After main verb, visible verb. This is the verb that shows the action which can be seen. Visible verb show the action which can be seen, जो हम देख सकते हैं. That is your visible verb. Okay, the old man is cutting the tree. Examples: the old man is cutting the tree. Cut करते हुए हम man को देख सकते हैं. तो cutting is your visible verb. जो चीज़ हम देख सकते हैं उसको हम, वो visible verbs होगा. Visible means कोई चीज़ जो हमें visible है, जो हम दिखती है हमें. The farmer is sowing the seeds in the field. Sowing means बोना. तो हम देख सकते हैं फार्मर को सो करते हुए. Sowing is your visible verb. She is writing a letter. Writing, we can, देखो I am writing something, कुछ भी हम लिख देते हैं, visible verb. So I am writing. So you can see कि I am writing, ना? You can see writing me. So writing is your visible verb. My papa is driving the car. अपने फादर को कार चलाते हुए we can see. So driving is your visible verb. The visible verb, what is visible verb? Visible verb that shows the action can be seen. The actions which we can see. Cutting, sewing, writing, driving. These actions we can see. So these are your visible verbs. Now invisible verbs. What are invisible verbs? Invisible, opposite of visible. Invisible means which cannot be seen. So this is the verb that shows the action that is not visible to the eyes. जो हमें हमारी eyes को नहीं दिखता. That is your invisible verb. This kind of action take place in the mind only. These actions are physical. इन सबको हम देख सकते हैं. But these actions सिर्फ mind में चलते रहते हैं. हम उनको देख नहीं सकते. I thought for some time and left the work. जैसे आपकी कोई फ्रेंड है, कुछ सोच रही है, मगर आप देख नहीं सकते, आपको नहीं पता चलेगा कि वो सोच रही है. You cannot see her thinking, him thinking, है ना? तो thought is your invisible verb. They realized their mistake very late. Realize को हम देख तो नहीं सकते. These are all. ये क्या है सब? हमारे माइंड में चल रहा होता है. I have understood. See, she has decided to go to the USA for higher studies. So these verbs we cannot see. These actions take place in the mind only. That's why they are invisible verbs. The verbs, the actions that is not visible to the eyes are your invisible verbs. Come to the exercises. Exercise is very easy. You have to underline the visible, and encircle the invisible verbs. Underline the visible verb. First of all, we will underline visible verbs. I thought first and then purchased the ticket for the show. Purchased, visible. Raghuveer is shooting at the beast. Shooting, visible. Sachin is fielding at the silly point position. Fielding, visible. Two friends are cooperating with each other. Cooperating, visible. Anushka felt very bad after losing her match. Losing, visible. Okay. Visible verbs are chased, shooting, fielding, cooperating and losing are your visible verbs. You have to underline the visible verbs. And then encircle the invisible verbs. I thought, encircle, so make a circle. I thought first and then purchase the ticket for the show. Thought is your invisible verb. Raghuveer is shooting at the beast. Here only visible verb is there. कोई invisible verb नहीं है sentence में. Sachin is fielding at the silly. Silly is your invisible verb. Two friends are cooperating with each other. No invisible verb is there in the sentence. Anushka felt, invisible verb, very bad after losing her match. So thought, silly and felt are your invisible verbs. Okay, students, you have to complete this invisible verb exercises and main verb exercises. These two exercises you have to do it in your class work copies. Understood? Again I told you na, you have to underline with the black pen. Write the sentences with the blue pen and underline and encircle with the black pen. Okay, so in the copy you have to do and show your work to me. Okay, thank you.